have our friend Sparky. And he's from the last Sparky. And he's from the last video. Sparky Play-Doh. Just watch it. Just watch it, okay? Everyone, just watch it, okay? So what?
Hold on, yes.
You eat 12. And Sparky's going to talk first.
Yes, hi, it's Sparky. My favorite dish is troll hair soup. Make sure to check out that video. I got a little crazy there, but not as crazy as I was at the store. I was over at Walgreens, and I found Yowies.
I saw your present. I saw the present.
Shh, don't look in there. Don't look in there.
Okay.
I was at the store, and guess what I found?
What?
I found Yowie. And Yowie were 90% off. Only 40 cents each.
How much it would cost?
Normally they're $4, and I got them for 40 cents each.
Hey, Sparky.
Yowies?
The Sparky.
Yes.
Why you got 2 money?
Shh, be quiet. Don't talk about that. So, Yowies are chocolate balls. Inside each one.
Chocolate balls? No!
Yes, they are. They're chocolate balls, I tell you. They're chocolate balls. Inside each one. You're making my Batman voice come out. Inside each chocolate ball is a surprise. Now, the chocolate is made of nut-free.
What is chocolate?
The chocolate is nut-free, gluten-free, GMO-free.
Why?
Because they want to make sure kids eat good stuff with chocolate.
Chocolate's not healthy for kids.
Okay, you be quiet. Shh, he's not saying anything. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
Don't listen to me.
The catch is, if you want to open up your Yowie and get your surprise, you have to be wearing this.
I want to wear this.
Okay, so each of you get your dinosaur claws.
Okay, let's open it. 1, 2, 3, let's open it.
You guys ready to open your Yowie?
Yes.
Guess what?
What? Yeah.
I ate them. It's like, hold on, it's like a mama bird.
Yeah. I'm like that. I want to take these off.
No, you can't take them off. The condition is you have to open your Yowie with a glove. Have fun. I'm going to be over here digesting.
I won't bring it. Something. I'm getting a hang of it. Stop. Okay, you can eat the chocolate. Yes. My egg. You can eat some of the chocolate.
Have you ever seen a cat with a fur ball?
No. Oh! I want to take my gloves off now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ah!
Oh, presents! After we open it. Oh! Oh! I got a toy! I got a toy, everyone! Got a toy!
The paper tells you what kind of toy you got.
Okay, let's see what he got. Wash my hands. Okay, go! Go! Go faster! Go faster! Sparky, can I have Sparky, can I have my water?
I ate it. Just kidding, it's right here. Do you guys want to open another Yowie?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What color did you open last time? He got a Yowie!
Wait,
That's a Yowie. Show the camera your Yowie.
What? Wait, it's in front of the box?
That is a Yowie, yeah. That's what these creatures are. See?
So I got them.
These are Yowies.
So I won?
Let's see what Patrick got.
Okay.
You want a Yowie? Okay, does it say the name of your Yowie?
It said Nap.
Nap. His name's Nap?
Yeah, that's what
Cool.
it said. That's what it says on his belly.
It
Nap.
does say Nap. My name is Nap.
You want me to open it for you, Patrick? Yeah.
Wow.
Let's see, what's this?
I think it's a manatee. It says, Benjamin, you got Nap, the honey gum Yowie.
Get a present?
Come get your present.
I have a present.
Yes, you have a present too.
And right here? Is
Yep,
this
that's
it?
your present, Patrick.
Where is it? Where is it?
In my tummy.
What's that chocolate? Why? Ooh, nothing.
Where'd it go? It's in there.
What is this? Oh, Sparky, what is this?
Show the camera. Comment down below if you like spinners.
Muffin!
Yep, Patrick got a brownie.
No. Muffin.
A muffin.
Muffin! I love muffins. Patrick, can you share one with me?
Oh.
Oh. Ooh.
Patrick got his spinner earlier, but the problem with spinners are you have to be able to grip it like this. And Patrick is only 4, and his fingers can't clear the little spinners. So I guess
Mine too.
I would say spinners are for people who are about 4 and up, because when you hold it, you have to be able to hold it like this to spin it. And so if you're
Patrick's up.
so Patrick, show him how you try to spin it.
Oh, it just keeps going.
Yeah. Let me move all this stuff so they can see. Like a top.
Whoa.
You're doing it. You are. Are you now? Sick trick. Sick trick. Wow, that was really fun opening up all those Yowies, and we got 4 whole Yowies and all these animals and tons of chocolate.
You want that?
Please like and subscribe if you like our videos. And leave a comment if you like Yowie. Aaron, if you like Yowie, I can't move. If you like Yowie chocolate.
Watch it now. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, what's up?
Okay, wait. Hold on. Ready? Okay. Hi, butt. Who wants to give me a hi, butt?
Me. Me too.
Hi, butt.
Wait.
Hi, butt. Yay. Okay.
Do it some?
Okay.
Has a cat have some? Oh no! Are you so crazy with the trolls?